Hey everyone! Today I'm so excited to guide you through a vibrant, nutrient-packed dish that's as delicious as it is wholesome. The Easy Vegan Buddha Bowl. This plant-based bowl is a perfect balance of grains, greens, and proteins, making it a filling and satisfying meal. Let's get started. Ingredients for the base you will need. 1 cup cooked quinoa. You can use brown rice as an alternative. 1 cup chickpeas, cooked or canned, drained and rinsed. 1 sweet potato cubed. 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1/2 teaspoon smoked paprika, salt and black pepper to taste. For the toppings, you will need 1 cup mixed greens, spinach, kale, or arugula, 1/2 avocado, sliced 1/2 cucumber, thinly sliced, 1/2 cup shredded carrots, 1/4 cup red cabbage, shredded, tablespoons pumpkin seeds or sesame seeds. For the dressing, have ready 2 tablespoons tahini, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 1 teaspoon maple syrup or agave, 1 small garlic clove, minced, and 2 tablespoons water to thin the dressing. For the equipment, you don't need much for this recipe, just a baking sheet for roasting the sweet potatoes, a pot for cooking quinoa, a knife and cutting board for prepping veggies, a bowl and whisk for mixing the dressing, and of course, a large bowl for assembling your Buddha bowl. Instructions: Step 1. Roast the sweet potatoes, preheat your oven to 200°. Toss the sweet potato cubes with olive oil, smoked paprika, salt, and black pepper. Spread them on a baking sheet and roast for about 20 to 25 minutes, flipping halfway through until they're golden and tender. Step 2. Cook the quinoa. While the sweet potatoes are roasting, rinse 1 cup of quinoa under running water. Cook it according to package instructions. It's best to let it simmer for 15 minutes with 2 cups of water until fluffy. Step 3. Make the dressing in a small bowl. Whisk together tahini, lemon juice, maple syrup, minced garlic, and water until smooth. Adjust the consistency by adding more water if needed. Step 4. Assemble the bowl. Now comes the fun part, assembling your Buddha bowl. Start with a base of quinoa or brown rice. Add the roasted sweet potatoes and chickpeas. Arrange the fresh toppings, greens, avocado, cucumber, shredded carrots, and cabbage. And finally, sprinkle some pumpkin or sesame seeds for extra crunch. Step 5. Drizzle and serve. Finish it off by drizzling the creamy tahini dressing over your bowl. Give it a quick toss or keep it arranged for that Instagram-worthy look. And there you have it, the Easy Vegan Buddha Bowl. Try it out, mix and match your favorite toppings, and let me know how you customize yours. If you loved this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more plant-based goodness. Until next time, happy cooking and stay vibrant.